Hello, guys. How are you? Welcome back to Dive into Analytics, a channel where all your data science needs are fulfilled. Our mission is to simplify the concepts and make them functional. Well, I am Nancy, your Python coach for your data science journey. In the previous few videos, we tried understanding what is Python, why do we need Python, and why only Python? Why not Java? Why not C++? Today, we'll actually start coding. Yes, you heard that right. Well, we are going to write our first program, the ultimate hello world. Okay, jokes aside. But yes, today we will actually start coding and we will write our first program, hello world, using the print statement. Today we will try understanding the print statement, its various parameters, and its use cases. Print statement has various parameters which help you to print a statement in different lines using separators, end parameters, and a lot more. Today, I will also tell you how to access the Python documentation for any doubts you arise while writing your codes. No, don't think it's bad if you don't remember all the things. Even the best of the coders don't remember all the functions. They take access of Python documentation regularly. So, now let's move on to our screen and start learning the print function. Today is the first time we are actually started coding. So let's rename our notebook to Python tutorial 1 and let's write print. Okay. So initially, what actually does a print statement do? A print statement prints anything you want your Python system to type. For example, I want to type, I want to print my name, which is, by the way, a string data type. It can do it. Similarly, print can also type a number. Print can also type a Boolean data type. Now, I want to write a sentence. For example, print Nancy is your Python coach. I can do it like this. Or what I can do is print Nancy is your Python and coach. This will output the same thing. But why do we actually use it? Why will we want to use it? Well, it's just printing multiple string together. Also, print can be used for giving the output for multiple data types. For example, I can have Nancy 25 and false. Here Nancy is a string, 25 is a number, whereas false is a Boolean data type. One One more feature about Python is that if I want to see parameters of a function, I can simply write print, open up a bracket, and press Shift Tab. A dialog box, a pop-up here shows all the parameters which are available for the print statement. Star args is there can be any number of texts I can have my print statement to print. Uh, for example, For example, star args. Star args allows us to type any number of input. Like there are 3 input, there are 5 inputs, there can be n number of things. There are two more important parameters, which is SEP and N. SEP is for separator, and there's an N parameter. And now let's discuss these parameters. For example, there, if you see, Nancy is your Python coach. This one. There's a space between each of the input. Why? Well, this is because the separator parameter is default set to space. Now let's change it and let's see how our output differs. For example, I will add step parameter as a at the rate sign. See, in space, in place of space, there is a at the rate everywhere. Similarly, what exactly is the end parameter? End parameter is used when we are writing multiple print statements. For example, print Nancy, print Ram, print Shah. See, all these print statements give their outputs in different lines. But what if I don't want these in different lines? Why did these come in a different lines? Because the end parameter was default set to /n, which means a new line. If I add end parameter and replace it with at the rate, similarly, end parameter at the rate, end parameter at the see. These are not in new lines now, but a at the rate has been added in each of the new print statements. So this is a comprehensive video about the print statement. Print statement has no more important parameters. So I'm creating this video. If in future you face any issue with the print statement, please refer to this video. More videos will be coming up in this series. Slowly and gradually we will be increasing our level and moving to more complex topics like OOP, and gradually we'll be learning libraries like NumPy and Pandas. So now this was all about the video. Well, thank you for your support. If you really like the video, if you think I teach well and we are really helping the community, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, there's a video, not just a video, but a whole playlist which Ritesh sir is teaching about SQL. Ritesh sir teaches really well, so do check out those playlists. Thank you.